This is the PLACUY 2K wireless doorbell camera. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the video doorbell itself, some information, a warning sticker, the manual. They give you a screwdriver with Torx bit at the end of it, a couple of strips, screws with wall anchors. Here is the chime, so you can hear the doorbell ring. Runs on 3 AAA batteries. They are included, or you can plug it in USB right there, and they give you the USB charging cable, which will charge the video doorbell and run this. If you want to plug it in USB, you of course supply your own power if you don't want to run it on AAA batteries. So like I said, this records in 2K resolution, which is twice 1080p. It's got two-way audio with a voice changer. This is siren, motion detection, and stuff like that. It also has infrared night vision. Lens on here is 160-degree wide angle lens. The battery in here will last 2 to 3 months of regular usage, and then you recharge it. It can accept up to a 128 gigabyte micro SD card, and this uses the Cloud Edge app. Also, I wanted to mention that this does have cloud storage available. Okay, so here is everything right here. The way this works, this is your mounting bracket, 2 holes in it. Put that on the house, and this thing slides on like that, and then you use the Torx end of this to screw it back down, and that way it's nice and secure and no one will be able to take it. If they do try to take it, well, it's got a tamper alarm built in, so that won't be a problem. So we'll go ahead and turn it on, hold it for a couple of seconds, and there we go. Not bad. And in the Cloud Edge app, we're going to hit Add Device. We'll allow. Okay. It sees the device.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
We did that.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
It's already flashing red.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi.
Let me log into the wireless network. So now I'm going to hit next, and this is going to display a QR code, which I will show to the doorbell. I'm not showing you that because that actually contains my wireless network information. So we'll hit next.
Please wait a moment.
And there you go. So it read the QR code from the phone. It's connecting. We have a blue light, and we'll just wait that 2 minutes out. Alrighty, it found it. We'll hit next. We can change the name. We'll call it Doorbell. Camera. Good enough. That's all good. And then they want you to install it, etc. And it's testing the Wi-Fi. Okay, everything is working. We have the video on the phone right there. I'm going to wave over here. I have a strong Wi-Fi signal, but there certainly is a delay. That's nothing out of the ordinary, certainly. Of course, this has two-way audio in that. The audio from the doorbell is currently on. So if I raise the volume of the phone... Hello? 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 So the doorbell heard me, and then the phone said it, and then there was an echo, which is because I'm right here, but you could also change your voice to clown. Now here it's going to be normal, but you can intercom. Hello? 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 Uncle testing. So it certainly works. It's there for you for what it's worth. You could take a screenshot all that kind of stuff right there. So it has all of that stuff. You could sound the siren for what it's worth. And we'll leave that here. I'm going to shut the room lights. And now we are in infrared mode. As you see right there, black and white, because that's exactly what you expect at night. I'll zoom in on that so you can see me a little bit better. So you can definitely see who's at the door and stuff like that. So that works fine as well. We can ring the doorbell. I have batteries in here. The phone got a notification. It wants me to answer the door. And there we go right there. Hello? Yes, you can leave the package at the door. The chime has 2 buttons on it, one on either side. That's your volume. That's the loudest. And there's a little blue light you could just barely see in there. The other button is the different chimes, so we'll run through that. And those are all of your different chimes right there. So what I'm going to do now is put that outside, and we'll see what we get. And there it is looking out my front door. Not too much going on at the moment. But a car drove by. So that's really good. And of course, if somebody walks up to it, well, obviously you'd see that. Something like this.
Booga booga! I'm gonna break into your house! Call the cops!
The video doorbell automatically records a 10-second clip when the doorbell button is pressed.
Oh, is anybody home? What? Where's my... What? What? Hello?
So you certainly get the idea. It has all of the features and functions we've come to expect from security cameras and doorbell cameras these days. Stays securely mounted. All around works just fine. Once again, this is the PLACUY 2K wireless video doorbell camera. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.